Hello world! Your mindset is created your perception of yourself and the world around you. In order to get to your next level of growth and alignment, you must upgrade your identity to match the energy that you wish to embody in all aspects of your life. An identity upgrade can happen multiple times in your life, and oftentimes there are signs that tells you that it's time to enter your next level so that you can realign your energy to your soul's desires. The signs when it's time to enter your next level and upgrade your identity as you feel stuck and frustrated. You are experiencing resistance or fear about change. You feel like a victim of your circumstances. You struggle with limiting beliefs about who you are. You worry about what others think of you. You want more for yourself but don't quite know how to obtain those specific desires. The quality of your life is based on the quality of the stories you tell yourself. When in a mindset of lack, scarcity, not enoughness, it can feel like you are drowning. It feels like everything is harder and somehow things feel like they are spiraling out of control. Just a shift in how you think and how you feel about yourself can change the way you respond to life. Your mindset shift into that of abundance, self-worth, and unlimited possibilities. In this mindset, you feel infinite, and so your behaviors start to match that of your thoughts and vibrations. Discover what your limiting stories are that make you feel like you are drowning, and then switch them up with stories that uplift you and make you feel at peace within yourself. By Emily Passion Based. On a post with a caption, as she said, 34 lately, being a lot about freedom, truth, and being myself. And I found that each of those words took on a completely new meaning for me. I learned that I cannot speak of freedom when I am projecting my own everything onto others. That my truth is primarily about the action that speak through me, and to be yourself, to be full, I'm really just learning. As I went deeper into understanding myself than ever before, illusions began to fall about myself and everything around. What inside me reflect around. This is a challenging experience, unforgettable, sometimes painful but very uplifting. I feel as if I was giving a new meaning of my identity, giving a certain direction, creating my vision from another place of depth. So many things are changing in me, internally and externally, and with that, my sense of femininity and what is really mean to me. The past years have taught me to be strong, but along the way, I have forgotten what was dormant. About that which is still undiscovered, today I understand more and more that my power doesn't come from always being able to make it. She also takes part in the fact that I can admit to my own fragility, that not everything has to be carried by me, that I can be tired of constantly being 100%, that I don't want to have to anymore, and I choose. And I see more and more clearly that only I can fill any gaps in myself, that when I really become my priority, everything changes. Rediscovering myself today, myself, and it's not a story about becoming someone new. It's a story about coming back and being reminded of places that have been waiting for me forever, about the part of me that I couldn't see before. And I wish that this time next year I would be in my dream asylum where you can see greenery and water through the windows, so I can look this road and smile at myself and to how much changed when I really started choosing myself. What kind of woman are you? What do you love about yourself? What do you struggle to accept? Is there something missing from your life that you secretly wish was there? How often do you look in the mirror and genuinely like what you see? And what about your body? Are you proud of it? Does it feel like home? Have you ever really stopped and asked yourself these questions? Your greatest gift is your ability to be yourself fully, unapologetically, and consistently, regardless of circumstances. And maybe one of the most beautiful part of being a woman is that we are never exactly the same from one week to the next. We move through cycles, we change, we soften, expand, retreat, bloom, create, release, and begin again. Every month offers a new opportunity to discover something different about yourself, your needs, your emotions, your strength, your sensitivity, your intuition. Do you realize how powerful that is? To be constantly evolving, to be deeply connected to your inner world, to carry within a rhythm that reminds you that growth doesn't always happen in a straight line. This is a question for every woman reading this. Do you truly see the power that lives within you? Love, Ama. Here are the happenings when Simone go to the Bristol. On the story of Michele, he reposed on to what happened at the FIFA World Cup victory celebration in Paris, France, last 1998. Hear the heartbeat of Michele like the sound of the wave. Work, work, work for now. What a great music to be heard! Am I right, guys, about this story of Mama Ruba that this is a fortune cookies? Look at him. Is he really a lookalike of Michele? Or who is more handsome? Or can be both of them are handsome in their unique way? Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 159 of the 365 days of 2026. A message to all. You were not put on this earth to have same life as everyone else, or to show off your life to others, or to prove how loved you are. You are here to appreciate who you are and the journey of life to grow, learn, and expand so that your body meets your soul. You have nothing to prove. You just need to learn what it means to be you and to experience gratitude for who you are and go deep into who that is truly. You don't need to seek anything outside of you because everything that you need is within you. It is so much peaceful if you decide that who you are right now is enough, what you have is enough, your life is enough, and that no matter where life is taking you, as long as you appreciate who you are, you will always be taken care of. If we are here to experience gratitude for yourself, and with that gratitude and appreciation, you will connect with the people you are meant to connect with. You will expand, grow, and learn. When we consciously accept and embrace impermanence or change, we gain a sense of peace, confidence, and purpose. We are constantly changing whether we see it or not, and it's important to not hold on to things because we are energy in motion. We are meant to move through each moment. When you learn to embrace the fullness of who you are in the moment and know who you are, and your experiences in the moment are fleeting, the highs, the lows, the emotions, the thoughts, the people you encounter, all of it changes with time and you change with it. By Emily Passion Based.